Good morning! Today, we're going to study semicolon. A semicolon is a part period and a part comma. Like a period, it separates complete thoughts. Like a comma, it separates items in a series. For today, we'll be discussing when to use semicolons in compound sentences and semicolons with commas in a series. Semicolons are used in compound sentences. Semicolons are most often used to connect two independent clauses that are related in meaning. Let us have this example. Joseph made the sugar cookies. Susan decorated them. These two simple sentences can be combined into a compound sentence through the use of semicolon. Look at the next example. Joseph made the sugar cookies, semicolon. Susan decorated them. Thus, you have to remember that using a semicolon to connect two independent clauses creates what's called compound sentence. Why is it important to use a semicolon? It's because using a semicolon instead of a period lets you emphasize the connection between your original two sentences and also lets you vary the structure of your sentences, making your paragraphs easier for someone else to read. You have to keep in mind that if you don't want to use a semicolon, you could use a comma and the words and, but, or, nor, for, so, or yet to connect two original sentences. If you use however or moreover to connect your ideas, you need to use a semicolon in front of it and a comma after it. Examples. The subject is hard, comma, but the teacher is pretty funny. The subject is hard, semicolon, however, comma, the teacher is pretty funny. Always remember that a semicolon can only separate independent clauses. It should not be used when the words before or after it can stand alone as a sentence. We can also use semicolons with commas in a series. Less often, you'll need a semicolon to separate items in a series. Ordinarily, of course, you can just use commas. Example, he's taking algebra, biology, and drama. But when the series you're writing about already contains commas of its own, adding more commas can confuse your readers. This is the time when you have to use semicolons. Example, he's taking algebra, which he's good at, biology, his least favorite subject, and drama for fun. You can see that this sentence is quite confusing because of the number of commas used. So, let us improve this sentence. He's taking algebra, which he's good at, biology, his least favorite subject, and drama for fun. You can see that we now have a better sentence because we use semicolons in place of some commas. This time, I will be giving you an example sentence that you need to improve by using semicolons in place of some commas. And the sentence is, on the table were 3 piles, meat, chicken and fish, rice, bread and pasta, and spinach, broccoli, and kale. Write your answer. Okay, time's up. Check your work. And the answer is, on the table were 3 piles: meat, chicken and fish, semicolon, rice, bread and pasta, semicolon, and spinach, broccoli, and kale. You need to remember that to make the list clearer, therefore, combine semicolons and commas. In this case, we put semicolon after each food group. I hope you learned something today. Once again, this is Teacher Riza saying thank you.